are riding bull now. Let's see how long they are going to last. Are they going to be a good ride? I don't know. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see if they are going to be. Oh, last. I don't think they are going to last. I don't think they are going to last. Look at what is happening there. Look at what is happening there. They will not last at all. They will not last at all. Look at the bull is vibrating. The bull is vibrating. They are going to fall now. They are going to fall now. They are going to fall now. Look at that. They have fallen down. They have fallen down. Two beautiful girls riding bull here in Benidorm. They didn't last at all. Let's watch and see who is the next one that will ride the bull right now. That will ride the bull